give you this ring
as a token of the covenant made between us
as a token of the covenant made between us
this day,
and
as a pledge of our mutual love.
And as a pledge of our mutual love.
In the name of the Father,
In the name of the Father, the Son,
and the Holy Spirit.
and of the Holy Spirit.
I give you this ring
As a token of the covenant
as a token of the covenant
made between us this day,
made between us this day,
and as a pledge
and as a pledge
of mutual love.
of our mutual love.
In the name of the Father,
In the name of the Father,
the Son,
and of the Son,
and the Holy Spirit.
and of the Holy Spirit.
Amen.
It has been an amazing day. And my wife, I was reminded this week, that he that finds a wife finds a good thing. And also, that even though Pastor Bruce was giving me his daughter, that it was really the Lord that was giving me a wife. We really benefited from, a lot of people invested in our relationship, and we want to thank you for that. I want to thank, our family members that came in from overseas, who thought it important enough to leave the States and the UK or Trinidad and everywhere, to come and be here with us. Thank you all, for the support and for being with us for the 7 years. For those of you who were here in the 7 years, Toki, who feels like she was in the relationship for 7 years, struggling and fighting. Thank you.